Hello children, hope you all are doing good. So this is the last class before your summer vacation. Okay, now today I'll teach you a new poem. The name of the poem is I Love Little Pussy. Okay, so I'll read out the poem and make you understand the meaning of the poem. Let's start. The name of the poem is I Love Little Pussy, written by Anonymous. At first, I'll read the poem, then I'll make you understand the meaning of it. Okay. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So I'll not pull her tail or drive her away, but Pussy and I very gently will play. Now I will make you understand the meaning. I love little Pussy. Now I means the little girl. This little girl is just like you all. She loves her cat very much. Her coat is so warm. Her means the cat we are talking about. Coat means fur. In Bengali we say lom. As the cat has thick fur, she is very warm. এখানে warm মানে আরামদায়ক বলতে পারি. And if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. The little girl do not want to hurt her cat. And if the little girl do not hurt her cat, the cat will also not bite her. মানে বিড়ালরা অনেক সময় রেগে গেলে আঁচড়ে দেয় বা কামড়ে দেয়. Similarly, if the little girl do not hurt her cat, the cat will also not harm her. Harm means will not bite her. So I'll not pull her tail or drive her away. The little girl will not pull her tail or pull the cat away from the things her cat likes. But Pussy and I very gently will play. Instead of hurting or pulling her tail, the little girl wants to play very softly and slowly with her cat. So this is all about the poem I Love Little Pussy. So this is all about the poem I Love Little Pussy, and I think everyone has enjoyed listening to it. Now what you have to do? You all have to listen to this poem many times and you have to learn it slowly. In the summer vacation, you will learn this poem. অল্প অল্প করে শিখবে. After our school reopens, I'll again come for recitation and will ask for this poem. Till then, learn this poem. Listen to this poem as many times as you wish. So, stay safe. Thank you. See you after holiday.